Meaning of episcopal.
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 Episcopal. The word episcopal is an adjective that pertains to the church hierarchy and governance of bishops. It specifically refers to the system of government in which churches are led by bishops who have authority over a geographic region or diocese. In this system, bishops are responsible for overseeing the spiritual and administrative affairs of the churches under their jurisdiction. Episcopal structures are common in many Christian denominations, including the Anglican, Catholic, and Orthodox churches. Overall, the term episcopal is used to describe a hierarchical system of church governance led by bishops.